Hi everyone, today we will talk about decimals and fractions for probability using the Desmos calculator. A lot of times we're going to answer questions about probability using either decimals, fractions, or percents. It's important that you know how to switch back and forth. So let's say we had a fraction, like 6 divided by 18, and we can see that changed to a decimal of 0.333. What's nice is we have this little box over box on the left with Desmos that when we push it, it will convert our 6 over 18 to a fraction, which is 1/3 in lowest terms. So you don't have to go through and do the reduction, it will do it for you. If I have things I'm adding together, so as we're doing a probability, sometimes we might be adding something like 7 over 15 plus maybe 4 over 15, and let's say we even subtract something. Let's subtract 2 over 15. So we can see we got an answer. It gives us a nice decimal of 0.6, but again, if the question asks for a fraction, we want to convert it back by clicking the little button, and it says 3 over 5. Sometimes we may have things in decimals to begin with. Maybe I have 0.85 minus 0.63. And I can see that's a decimal. So even though I started with decimals, it still gives me that option to convert back to a fraction by clicking the button. So we're never stuck with just being able to do fractions when we start with a fraction. We can go from a decimal to a fraction at any point. As numbers get bigger and our probability questions get more involved, we may have really big fractions, so maybe we have something like 128 divided by 324. Questions will say either answer as a decimal, or sometimes it'll say fraction in lowest terms. And again, we're not going to worry about the lowest terms because we can hit the button and it will put it in lowest terms for us. It says 32 over 81.